This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. Union Health Ministry has written to Nagaland, Sikkim, Maharashtra, Kerala, Goa, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Rajasthan, West Bengal and Ladakh over decline in weekly COVID-19 testing numbers. In a letter written to the state governments, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has said that it is important that the state maintains high testing given the recent increase in travelling due to various events such as marriages and festive celebrations. Bhushan cautioned that a decrease in testing would undermine the actual infection spread within the community. He also said with the onset of winter and increased pollution in some states, prevalence of influenza-like illness and respiratory distress symptoms should be closely monitored. India and the Asian Development Bank has signed $300 million loan to strengthen and improve access to comprehensive primary health care in urban areas of 13 states. These states are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and West Bengal. Finance Ministry says this will benefit over 256 million urban dwellers, including 51 million from the slum areas. The agreement was signed between the Additional Secretary, Department of Economic Affairs, Rajat Kumar Mishra, and Country Director of Asian Development Bank's India's Resident Mission, Takyo Kunishi. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy has said that the state government is looking forward to come up with a long-term solution to address the perennial problem of delay in releasing the pending salaries of the SSA teachers in the state. The Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy said that the government wants to solve this problem on a long-term basis. On the demand to regularize the services of the SSA teachers, he said that the government will have to take a call within the parameters of the law. According to him, the recruitment was not directly by the state government. He further informed that the government has not been able to release the 59 crore rupees received from the centre on the pending salaries due to the holidays. Justice Sanjib Banerjee was sworn in as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya yesterday. Governor Satyapal Malik administered the oath to the new Chief Justice at Raj Bhavan in Shillong. The Supreme Court Collegium had recommended the transfer of Justice Banerjee from the Madras High Court to Meghalaya on November 9th. Former Meghalaya Chief Minister and Congress Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma, including 11 legislators, joined the Trinamool Congress. Dr. Sangma left the Congress party after the Shillong Lok Sabha member Vincent Pala was appointed the post of President of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. The 9th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly will commence today. The 2-day session will witness obituary references, questions, reporting on assent to bills, laying of the Select Committee report on the security and reconstruction of financial assets, enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002, presentation of Assembly Committee reports, introduction and adoption of government resolution, among others. The 2-day conference on managing cyberspace in the Indo-Pacific, the Global Dialogue Security Summit, began at the State Convention Centre in Shillong yesterday. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will deliver a special address today during the session on cyberspace connectivity for peace and development in the Northeast. Delivering his keynote address during the inaugural session, National Cybersecurity Coordinator Lieutenant General Rajesh Pant said that the counter-ransomware is getting more and more serious. He further observed that the ransomware has crossed the threshold of a crime and now it is a national security issue, looking at the things which had taken place in the United States. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.